2013 Chevy Cruze Eco, the 6-speed 1.4 liter turbo. If anyone ever had their e-brake freeze or need replaced the cable for the e-brake, the cables actually run underneath the carpeting of the back seat. So you need to remove the seat. You just pull up on the seat and release these two tabs on both sides, and then you press the seat in and up, and it releases them from, there's tabs down in here that hold the seat down. It's a little bit hard to pull out, but the cables themselves just move into a grommet of the body. They go up underneath the center console. They don't sit underneath anything. There's a eyelet up in here that the cable actually runs through, and the back of the center console comes off, and it shows the mechanism that holds the cable in place, that pulls forward and backward on the cables. But there is adhesive underneath here. It's pretty strong stuff. You can see the grommet that goes through the body and the clip that holds them in underneath the rear seat. There's the part numbers. They're both the same cables. It's just the grommets have different orientations for which way you put them.